Ito, isa sa benefit. Eliminates ghost projects. You're nodding. Eliminates ghost projects. Real-time geotag reporting helps identify and prevent the creation of phantom projects. Meron kang access dito eh. Meron kang MYPS. Lahat ng system, lahat ng application nasa sayo. Paano nagkaroon ng ghost projects? Real time nga ito eh. Anytime na i-punch mo doon, halimbawa, projects, flood control projects in Bulacan. Kung anong district ang gusto mo, District 1, District 2, District 3, alam mo, real time. By location, geotag. Alam mo nangyayari on the ground because it's being updated by your project engineers on the ground. Anytime, you don't have to go there. Tama?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Bakit merong ghost projects?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Alam mo, ma'am, dumating ako dito na malungkot. Alam mo kung bakit? Several text messages are being received by this representation almost every day. Alam mo kung anong mga taong sinasabi nila sa akin? Nakikita po namin, sabi niya, kung paano winawaldas ang pera ng bayan. At napapatunayan po namin araw-araw, lalo na po pag nakikinig